Hey guys, TechDude731 here, and today we're going to be doing a PC build based on the AMD FX-6300 and the GTX 970. Some of the parts in this system were reused from a previous build, that's why some are not in the frame. For CPU, once again we have the FX-6300, and for motherboard we have the Asus M5A97LE 2.0 with 8GB of memory. For graphics card we're using the GTX 970 Asus Strix Overclocked Edition. In terms of storage, we have a Kingston HyperX Savage 240GB, as well as a 1TB hard drive which was reused. To power all this, we have a Corsair CX600M. The Asus Blu-Ray writer will be our optical drive for this build, and this is all housed in the Corsair Carbide Spec 01. Enjoy! Okay, the build is now complete. As you can see, we've added some RGB lighting for an interesting effect. Now let's take a look at some benchmarks to see how this PC stacks up. On 3D Mark Firestrike, it scored an 8518. In Battlefield 4 at 1080p on Ultra, we saw an average of 77 FPS. In Far Cry 4 on Ultra at 1080p, we got an average of 73 FPS. And in Crysis 3 on High, once again at 1080p, we saw just over 60 frames per second. Overall, this is a great PC for gaming at max settings at 1080p, or even at 1440p with the settings turned down slightly. And I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you liked it, please hit that thumbs up down below, leave a comment if you have one, and subscribe for more videos.